Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about pumping tutorials for beginners and share some simple guidance that can help make pumping easier and more comfortable. For many mothers, pumping is a new experience. It may take time to learn the equipment, develop a routine, and find what works best for your daily schedule. Before starting, always make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. Good preparation can make the session smoother and more organized. Next, choose a comfortable and quiet place where you can relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps make pumping sessions feel more comfortable. Before turning on the pump, prepare everything you need. Having storage containers, water, and other supplies nearby can help you stay relaxed throughout the session. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle setting and allow your body time to adjust. A slow and comfortable approach often works better than rushing. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, do not worry. It is completely normal for the body to take a few minutes to respond. During the session, try to maintain a steady routine and avoid constantly changing settings. Many mothers find that consistency helps make pumping easier over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Cleaning the pump after every use is another important step. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the equipment ready for future sessions. Remember that every mother's journey is different. It may take some time to find a routine that fits your lifestyle, and that is perfectly normal. With patience, consistency, and good organization, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.